To get a domain and hosting, you're simply going to come over here to gotechug/Bluehost. Bluehost is the #1 recommended WordPress hosting provider, and this is also mentioned on the official WordPress website, which is over here, and Bluehost is right up here, and it's recommended, of course, by WordPress itself. Bluehost basically helps you to get your website online, and by coming over here to Bluehost, you simply just come to hosting, shared hosting, and then over here you are in position to choose a plan. For example, you can choose on a monthly plan. Okay, you can choose a basic plan, plus plan, choice plus, or even a pro. I always recommend that you start with a plus because it helps you to get enough space, and that means that if this project is through, you can even launch another website using the same hosting package. And now once you are here and you select the package that you want, simply come over there. You can choose a domain, for example, dnconsult.com, or it can be .online.site.org.info.co. Then you search, boom. If your domain is available, you'll get this kind of notification. Then here you can simply add your account information, your residence, all that stuff over here. And one thing I have to mention is that when you choose under the plan, make sure you choose the plus plan, because the plus plan will be discounted, and that comes at $5.9 per month. But of course, it goes for a longer period of time. I recommend this because you'll get hosting at a very reliable amount of money, and it will take you for a longer time, and you even have time to split test the platform. But if you don't have that budget, you can still go for the 12-month plan, and that will go for $7.5. And right here you actually get a domain name for free, and you'll also get an SSL certificate that helps you to protect your user information once they are transacting on your website. Under the package extras, you'll have to leave the domain privacy, because this will help you from getting spam from people who are trying to reach out to website owners. You simply disable the other options here, and right down here you'll get over 60% off on your total budget. And once you are good to go, simply enter in your card information, the CVV and the expiry, and you agree to the terms and you submit. Now once your account is created, your domain will be assigned to you, and Bluehost will actually contact you and say, hey, your account information is this, and you can log in from here. The good thing with Bluehost is that they even offer you a 24/7 customer support for your website. Now, since you are done creating your website, you simply want to move their hosting, they will help you. You simply have to call them, or even just go here to the live chat and tell them, hey, I've done creating my website. How can I move to your platform? I've already created my account, and this is my account.